Hello, and welcome back to the channel, and back to for some more Foundry. So Foundry has come out, uh, and Paradox has got their hands on it. I've played this game on and off for a while. We've been kind of waiting for it to get uh, into a place where we can kind of do more with it. And then just kind of random. Let's randomize it a couple times. We're not doing creative mode. The last time we played it, the game it needed some stuff. It needed some more time in the oven. It needed a few things. Launching drop pod. Okay. Scan for potential on it. Okay. And initiate planetary landing. Oh, good. I got trees right close. And
Welcome, operator. I'm Carl, your facility management artificial intelligence.
Oh, good.
This resource-rich moon has been selected for the Foundry initiative with the goal of converting it into a manufacturing hub. Construction work has already started, and many teams, just like us, have been deployed with their initial assignments. Our task is to establish mining and smelting operations to ensure a steady supply of essential metals. My goal is to assist you in setting up this factory. Let's run a few basic checks before we get started. Open your map to check your surroundings.
Open the map. All right.
Fantastic. There are several ore patches in the vicinity. Equip your ore scanner from the inventory and use it to locate the ore patches.
I already found the ore patch. Inventory. See, there it is. Ore scanner. So the it's kind of this is a, for the all intents purposes, is a it Satisfactory, Tectonica, Factorio. It's a factory building game, right? The whole point of this game is for us to be able to build a bunch of big factories, and that stuff is so loud. Settings, audio. Let's turn that down a little bit. Let's turn down the FX volumes. Let's turn this down to. Let's try that. Let's see if that helps. Okay, it was loud for me, so I'm pretty sure it was loud for you guys. So hopefully it's not too bad. But it's the same as, it's a factory builder, right? So, and much like Satisfactory, you go to the ore patch. On top of the ore patch, there's a bunch of stuff here, and we can kind of clear that off, and then that drops in our inventory. And then we have ore. We can take that back, and we can start doing it. Now there has been quite a bit of changes. It's nice. It tells me where the landing pad is. So it goes back here, so we can insert. Right, so we can just put all that stuff right in there, and it starts making plates for us. Then we'll do ore scanner here like this. Oh.
Approach both of the ore patches and mine some ore.
All right, so we've mined the other one. So we need technium or technum. You run out to the ore patch, you get some stuff. You pick up the ore, you take it back. Your drop pod is nice enough to have.
Now that we have an initial supply of ore, we need to smelt it into plates and rods. Go back to your drop pod and use the built-in smelters to create your first crafting materials.
You're not the boss of me, Carl. So I left him on just because it's nice to have. I like to see what the beginning of the game is going to be like and how the tutorial is. If somebody doesn't know or hasn't never played the game or is new to the game, how is that new player experience? Does he tell you what we need to do? Do we get lost? Usually I get lost in tutorials and stuff because I ignore them and I think I know better than the game. So yeah, we've done that. So take this stuff back. So orange on orange, blue on blue. Look at that. So we're going to do that. So we just need to take the rods, right? So we'll just take the rods from there. Wait for that guy to get caught up. And that's nice that they put it on there, so you don't have to put power into it. You don't have to do anything. Oh, we can customize our character. Purple. The character. Okay, the model, deluxe model. I get a top hat. Mining drill. Purple, yeah. We'll apply that. Oh, I don't think it saved it. We'll do it. Apply that too. All right, so there we go. We have our model. We have our Jill's purple now. All right, so we'll take that.
Now that we have basic materials available, we should start crafting building blocks which act as a foundation for other buildings. To do so, you need to open the crafting menu and click the desired items. Then, place them in the shape of a platform next to one of the ore patches.
All right. All right, so C for crafting or your inventory, either one. I do have a bunch of extra ores, so we'll have to do that at some point. So we need to build crate recipe, building block recipe. So we need to craft 30 building blocks. All right. Pick those, put those in there too. All right, so we'll go here into, let me make sure I can grab some more of these. Let's see, back to C menu. All right, so we've made a few of those. All right, so I'll run over here. So it needs place 30 building blocks as foundation next to an ore deposit. All right, so if I go back in here, I don't know why my scanner keeps taking off. All right, so I hit 0. Divided by 2, that's fine. There you go. No, that's not enough. There you go.
To automate
All right.
ore extraction, we need to set up a drone miner. Craft one and place it on top of your foundation right next to the ore patch.
We'll go find my other ore patch first. It's down here somewhere. There it is, right there. Okay, so it'll tell me. So 6 by. Oh, it doesn't like that. All right, you can go away now. Haha, sucker fish. All right, so now we've placed one down for both of them. Do I need to grind that one up too? I don't know what I need to do. All right, so now we need to craft a drone miner or 2. Take those, put those in. Back into C. A drone miner. We can make 2 of them. So I'm gonna make 2 of them. So the drone miner kind of works the same way, I would assume, as the last one. So we'll do that. We still making them? What are we doing? There's the drone miner. Do 9 here. Do that guy like that.
Drone miners and most other buildings require power to function. Let's build a biomass generator on the same foundation as the drone miner. Once built, you need to harvest some plants and trees with your mining drill to collect biomass. Insert the biomass into the generator and it will start to power all buildings on the same foundation as the generator.
I don't know if those things just eventually... Oh, I think that was a rock. We'll get a little bit of biomass. Let me see. Oh, that's what's going on. I hit tab and it's cycling me through my things. All right, I hit tab and I'm causing my own problems here. Forest seeds, biomass 52. A little bit of deforestation. I'll be all right. Which one of these games do we start where we don't do just massive deforestation? I think the only Planet Crafters. That's the only one. But it's not really an automation game. It's slightly different. All right, so we'll go ahead and take those, take that, take these, take that. All right, so let's go ahead and get in here. Let's get 2 bioburners. Do this. Put that there. Put those there. Put that one there. All right. All right. So I want to put 8. Put you over here. Then manage inventory, missing fuel, right? Enable offline grid stat shutdown.
Go watch your mining drones acquire your first automated ore. Aren't they beautiful?
Yay! They're not
It's time to
purple.
get going. Let's build a smelter next.
Just saying. You let me turn everything else purple. Should be able to turn my drones purple. I wonder if I can turn on purple in the menu. Grid stats, manage inventory, shut down. Manage inventory. Nope, it just allows me to get drones there. Okay. So I can't change them purple. I think the other one was over here. There it is. All right. Craft the smelter small. Nope. I'm getting ahead of you, silly game. Then let's go ahead and put down 8 over here. Go ahead, put that in there. And then let me go ahead and go here. Oops. Then more do I have? I have 5 more. There you go. All right. Put those in. Give you those. Take those. Give you those. Take those. All right. So now I need to get another small smelter. Build us one of those. Get us some more of this stuff while we're at it. I don't need stone yet, but maybe we'll get some stone too. Maybe I did need stone. Maybe I need a stone for the smelters. I already had it. All right. Get some more biomass because I'm going to need it. All right. So let me go ahead and back into here. Take our smelter, put that down here on our bar. Put you here.
The smelter is more efficient than the inbuilt drop pod smelter, so you should start using this from now on. Another benefit is that we can automate the smelters to make our life easier. For this, you need to connect the drone miner to a smelter by using loaders and conveyor belts. Please go ahead and connect them while I'm notifying Mission Command on our progress.
So now I need to make conveyor belts.
Communication link establishment failure. Curiously, I find myself unable to make contact with Mission Command. It could be a technical anomaly. I shall persist in my attempts.
Oh, good. All right. That stuff is all. Now you can, while you're waiting, if you're running out of stuff and you're like, oh, I just need more stuff, and you can go here and you can go like this and take all those out. And then I can go here and I can go. Can you take this stuff? But yeah, there you go. So we can do that. Then we can run over here and grab some of these guys. Take all those. That's fine. Then manage inventory. There you go. Take those. There you go. All right. Do that. I need a bunch of weird stuff. No, I think that was what they could actually be made in. So let's do this. So I think, yeah, plates and machinery parts. what I'm going to do is, nope, back to C, try this guy again. We're going to put those guys in here. We'll put these guys in like this. We're going to do 6, rotate it around. And get it aimed just right. Rotate it around like this. And now I'm out of conveyors. Didn't see that one coming. Oh, a loader. That's what I need. That's what I need. I need a loader. I forgot. Do that one. Take those out too while we're at it. All right, so I need a couple of loaders. I need a bunch more belts. Take those. And it's really like the same pretty much as any other game as you first start. It's run around, it's grab stuff, it's manually do things for a while until you can kind of get it figured out. And once you get everything kind of figured out, then it becomes easier. You give me those, and you take those. We'll go ahead and fill you back up. That'll be good. Back into here. Go ahead and get us a loader.
You have the machines necessary to connect the drone miner to the smelter. Now, attach a loader to each machine and connect them with conveyor belts.
Yeah, so I need a building there. So this one needs to be picked up.
Have them produce enough metal plates and rods to fulfill our mission.
Let's see.
The mission control link remains non-responsive. Our objective is near completion and immediate guidance from mission command is required.
Don't know how to pick things back up. Try to pick this up. Oh, let's see. F to destroy. It was in the bottom of the screen. All right, let's go back to 4 here. So we'll put that guy down there like that. So now that's going to start dropping the loaders on, or the ore on for us. Go back to 6 over here. Let's see if they're going to, I hope they just feed straight in. I don't know if I need to put another loader on it or not. But it's basically the starting of the game. It's the starting of automation and stuff like that. So, and one of the things that, obviously the visuals before the game needed a little bit better visual. Let's see. Oh, how did that get over there? Okay. So are you going to be... let's see. Let's do this back to here. 4. I think it picks up... Oh, we'll pick up stuff from the belt that way. Still going down, though. Let me get... Fill that one back up. Fill that one back up. All right, that's good. Let me get some more foundations. Maybe I need a foundation for it. Problem is, I need a crap load of belts too. Nope, it's still not taking them. That's probably 6. Structure is blocked by another structure building. Okay, that's just me trying to build it. Why are you not working? Oh, intake output. So it's definitely intake. I don't know why it's not taking intake. I wonder if it only does it if it's a certain... I'm going to let it run for a little bit. See if maybe it does it when it gets low enough. Maybe that's what's going on. I need lots of machinery parts. Take lots of those. I figure out why won't you work? All right. Building to the belt. That's fine. Do this. Make sure this guy is okay, set to intake, but it's no connection. I need slightly more belts. I'm gonna need more belts than that. Let's see. Don't think that's gonna be enough. All right, let me get 6 here. Almost. Oh, I was off one. That's fine. Move this guy over 1. Put you there. You, ooh, perfect. Put you there. Pick that guy up. Let's take those in. Let's see. Nope, not C. Let's try C instead. Build a couple more of those. All right. Let's see. Manage inventory. What happens if I just take all of you out? Okay, so you do take some. Oh, but you're only going to take like 2 or 3. Okay. Okay. All right, so you're only going to take 2 or 3. Anything above that, like, so that gives us, if you have a bunch of extra stuff in your inventory, it gives you the ability to do that. And it's also kind of good because that way, if you have a bunch of them built, they're not all taking, 100 resources before they function. So that is good. I like it. Oh, that's not good. Oh, time to murder the trees again. Come here, trees. All right. Place. Oh, it wants me to place 4 small smelters. So what happens? Can I do? Can I do? I want to make some more of these. 6. I don't think I have a splitter. Oh, can I do that? Right, so it wants me to place four small. Take that. Oh, you'll take it, but give me those. All right, let me do that. See, I need to place 2 more smelters. So I wonder if I could run that belt sideways. Like if I ran the belt up here and ran it sideways under that, if it would still grab them. This one may be easier to do. So let me get that. Take 7. Let's try something dumb. I need more of those. Turn that off. Let's take those. I'm going to manage inventory. I'm going to give you these guys. That will be fine. So that way I can start getting those again. Take those again. That would be fine. Right, so let me get back to C. I want to see if this is going to work the way I want it to. Right. 6. It looks like it may work the way I want it to. That does that. Get rid of those. Oh, look at that. All right, so you can run the belts to it sideways. So that's already, which makes sense, right? But sometimes you just have to check these things to make sure. Let's see, let me pick this guy up here. Now, if I do, let's see, 7, this guy, here, here.
We have completed our initial mission of setting up a smelting facility. We've done a great job, haven't we? At this point, we should have received further instructions, but something is blocking our communications. I think we'll have to improvise. My archives contain a blueprint for a research server. Through material analysis, I should be able to provide an emergency beacon blueprint. Let's get going and build a research server.
Did not like that. Do that like this. So that way that will get both of those guys going. And then that will allow me to put those in and then just kind of have that stuff in. And then that way we have 2 smelters going for each. We have, they're automated as long as we can keep wood and stuff in them. So now we need to craft a research server. So far, like, you know, I backed this game. I bought it on, I think, on itch.io, like, I don't even know how long ago. And we streamed it for a while, and it was such a good game. And even in the very beginning, it had some really good stuff going into it. And now we're just kind of like, okay. So now this may be a little bit more complicated. Well, I can pull them off the back here. It's fine. So let's see. The research server structures. Craft a research server. Okay, so it should be in here somewhere. Smelter, drying, biomass. Okay. I don't see is maybe it's it's in the science. All right. So I need to make the science. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna let these guys run for a little bit and do that stuff. We'll probably make our research server the next time around. Do I have probably more stuff over here? No. That one's just got one left in it. Take that. I can. So yeah, I think these guys work 1-to-1. That one works 2-to-1. Not necessarily a bad thing, just kind of where we are in our life. So, but we have our ability to kind of do this. If we need to, we can just kind of extend this out further. I'd probably want to change this a little bit. Oh, it's going to make a mess. So what I'm going to need to do is kind of probably push these out. I need to push these out 2 more so I can get the stuff out of the inside of them. But yeah, I'm happy with the game so far. I'm happy with the new visuals. I'm happy with kind of the way everything's working. I was happy with the game when it first came out, even with the stuff. Supposedly now, I think I read someplace we're supposed to have mine carts now, and that in and of itself is a having mine carts in it is definitely something we'll have to look into and kind of figure out what we can do. But and obviously we're going to want to automate the forestry aspect of this at some point, because going around and chopping up trees all the time, even though it's fun in the beginning, it's going to get old quickly. Oh, we're using a lot of power on that one. Like these don't use that much power. They're doing okay, but those 4 smelters on there, it's definitely using some power. That fuel, a max output 600 kilowatts. Currently we're doing 420. So that one alone is doing 420, and these are doing 52. Maybe better if I connected all of these things with the blocks just so that they're all connected. But yeah, so I need to get some more blocks and build the research facility, because I'm going to end up having to put it on things, I'm pretty sure. All right, we may actually have enough to do all this stuff now. All right, let's do this. Research server. We probably only need 1 of them. That'll probably be all right. You know what? Let's just build some more blocks. So, let's see. Research server. I do know I'm going to need a big area for it. Let me get... There you go. I have a nice big spot there for it. Now let's see if it's actually large enough to actually place that thing. Because I want to say that this thing was rather large. Okay, maybe they changed it.
To advance in research, you will need to build science packs. craft a few by hand and insert them into the research server to research the emergency beacon blueprint.
Okay, emergency beacon blueprint. All right, so we'll do all this stuff. I need to need another furnace. So let me get here. Let's build us another biomass burner real quick. And then 1, 2, 3. They must have changed it because in the last one it was a slightly larger building. Go ahead, put down 8 here. Do that. Go ahead, fill that bad boy up. Go ahead, fill that. No, we're still making them. There's 2. Come on, one more. Oh, it's building all the stuff it needs to build it. That's what's going on. All right, that makes sense. I like it. I like it. Let's see. All right, so that is done. We'll put all those in there. Research emergency beacon. Research interface. That's the assembler 1. Emergency beacon. So we'll start the emergency beacon. That way, that is going off. I'll start using the power. That will all be going good. Let's get some more of this stuff. This is a lot easier now that I can just pick things up. The beginning there was a little bit hard, but you know. All right, I think that is, we're at 50%. All right, we're almost done with that. So we'll see what the emergency beacon is, and then we'll call it done. All right. Let the emergency beacon go. Yeah, I think a single mining drone here could probably run several of these things.
Got it.
Yay!
We now have the emergency beacon blueprint. Craft it and place it, but not too close to your existing machines. Those rescue parties tend to land right on top of the beacons.
So the rescue beacon, size 5 by 5 by 5. So we're just gonna make one, but I'm gonna save placing it until next run, and the next game, our next episode. We'll place it out there somewhere where it's safe. We'll see how bad the emergency beacon is, because it definitely said not to place it too close to our buildings. But with that, let's see what else are the research interfaces. So the assembler, character improvements, inventory, mining lasers, crafting speed, logistics container. I don't know what that means unless it's, better belts, decor, lights, explosives. Let's see, ore scanner, mineral rock, science pack mining efficiencies, ladders, stairs, doors. Let's see, piping, ore refinement. All kinds of fun stuff. And then I think that is pretty much everything. What's this? Construction industry. So obviously there is, because there's oil, mining force, underground mining, jetpacks. There's all kinds of stuff in there. So we'll get all that stuff next time. See what do I need for just 5 of them. All right, so let me go with this, and then let me go with this, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, so that will get me 5 of those guys. Then, so I'll have those built for next one. We'll be able to place the emergency beacon and call for help next time. and we'll go from there. So hopefully y'all are enjoying this. As always, if you do, consider throwing a like on the video. If you have a question or comment or concern, please throw that down in the bottom also. And then if you're not subscribed to the channel and you would like to be so, that is easy enough to fix. So with that, you guys be safe, and we'll talk to y'all next time.